Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve the last question number 8 of exercise 6.5. Okay, see the question is stating the diagonals of a rhombus. एक rhombus है जिसका diagonal कितना दिया हुआ है 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Then question is asking you to find out the perimeter. Although the question is very clear, but still I would like to draw the figure and make you each and everything explain you with the help of figure. Okay, so this is the diagonal rhombus students. Okay, so its diagonals are given here, so we will draw our diagonals. So these are the diagonals, you know, to join the after joining the opposite vertex we are getting the diagonal, है ना. तो ये diagonal जो है ये obviously long वाला जो है वो 30 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है. ओके, एंड शॉर्ट वाला कितना दिया हुआ है 16 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग यू टू फाइंड आउट द पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर मीन्स व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स? दिस वन प्लस दिस वन प्लस दिस वन प्लस दिस वन मीन्स outer boundaries. Okay, so we have to find out the perimeter of this rhombus, but only diagonals are given. So how to find out the perimeter of rhombus? Because unless and until we find its any of the side, we cannot find the perimeter, because perimeter of rhombus is nothing but all its sides are equal. So if we will multiply 4 into any of its side, then we will get the perimeter. But how to find out side? So we will find out the side by applying some of the properties. Okay, and then applying Pythagoras theorem. After applying the Pythagoras theorem, students, we will be able to find out or calculate the any one side of the rhombus. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे आप देखो मुझे देखो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द साइड. सी दिस complete diagonal is given as how much students? 30. Okay, and it is property of rhombus that its diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree, है ना. its diagonal bisect, I said you bisect मतलब दो इक्वल हाफ में बांटता है. तो ये डायगोनल है एक, ठीक है, और ये डायगोनल है एक. तो ये एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करता है कितने पे स्टूडेंट्स? 90 डिग्री पे. कितने पे? 90 डिग्री पे. मीन्स ये डायगोनल जो है ये कितना हो जाएगा 15 सेंटीमीटर, और ये डायगोनल जो है वो कितना हो जाएगा 8 सेंटीमीटर. मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक 8 सेंटीमीटर हो गया, यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना हो गया 15 सेंटीमीटर हो गया, और ये 90 डिग्री हो गया. ये 90 डिग्री हो गया मतलब इसके अपोजिट का एंगल कौन सा हो? इसके अपोजिट का साइड जो है ये हाइपोटेनियस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हो जाएगा. वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज वन ऑफ द राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हुज वन एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. Okay, here we will have 90 degree, and this side is 8 centimeter, this side is 15 centimeter, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, so by applying Pythagoras theorem, here we will find out the hypotenuse. How can we find hypotenuse? A square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of its base and altitude. Okay, so here we will start our solution now, students. Okay, so here we will write given data. What are given data, students? Given data is only diagonals of rhombus. Diagonals of rhombus is given how much? 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter, right? Now after this here we will write, since now you can name it also, students. Suppose this is A B C D, this is rhombus ABCD. Okay, or better if you don't want to write, then you can avoid writing names also. Okay, no problem is there. So here you can name it, or better I will not name because it has not been instructed in the question. So why shall I add it from my side, है ना. तो मैं भी add नहीं करता हूँ. ठीक है. So side of rhombus is equal to, or you write here h square. What we have supposed this one h square. So h square will be equal to 8 square plus 15 square. Why? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, here we will write in the region by Pythagoras theorem. Now here we will calculate h square students. H square is equal to 8 8 ja 64 plus 15 15 ja I think 225. Okay, now h square will be equal to, now add them, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 2 8, okay, and 2 we got 289. Okay, now if you will split this 289 students, then you will get 17 into 17. See here, 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7 plus 4 11, 1 7 ja 1 1 ja. Okay, now 4 8 2, 7 7 ja 49 na yaar. Okay, so here we will get 9, means 289. This was our 289. So you will get 17 square. Now square and square will cancel students. So here we will have h value is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, now one of the side of the rhombus has been calculated as how much? 17 centimeter. And just I told you all its side, rhombus is nothing but like a square only. Okay, some of the properties are different that you will study in higher standard. Okay, so rhombus is a special like a square only whose all sides are equal. So we got one side. If we will multiply it by 4, then we will get the perimeter of the rhombus. So here I am going to find out perimeter. So here we will write perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into a, or you can say one side. So here 4 into how much? 17. 4 7 ja 28, 4 1 ja 4 plus 2 6. So what will be the perimeter students? Perimeter will be 68 centimeters. So this was your question number 8. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.